Hello viewers, today's topic is about the importance of having subject matter experts in the project management unit. The first question, what is subject matter expert? As the name indicates, subject matter expert is a person having expertise and experience in a specific subject. For example, a subject matter expert in environment is basically an environmental expert having his core experience and expertise in the environmental issues. His education should have been in environmental science or environmental engineering. He should have good understanding of the environmental laws of the country. He should have experience in sustainability and waste management procedures. He must be aware of the environment management principles and parameters prescribed by various funding institutes and the government bodies. The environmental expert is just an example. For infrastructure projects, subject matter experts are from a wide variety of fields, such as technology and process expert, geotechnical expert, design and engineering expert, planning expert, contract and legal expert, procurement expert, policy and regulatory expert, environmental expert, finance expert, project economist, project management expert, quality control expert, commissioning expert, operation and management experts, etc. All of them have critical role in successful realization of the project. Therefore, as a project manager, you must ensure that all such subject matter experts are allocated to your project team. They can be either from your in-house team, from the company, or hired consultant. At many occasions, I have observed that well-qualified subject matter experts are not hired by the project owner either due to budget constraint or simply because of the ignorance of the importance of having such subject matter expert in the team. As a project manager, you should be jack of all trades, but never try to venture in the role of subject matter expert if you do not have the right education and experience for the subject. The success or failure of project management is linked to wrong decision to manage the project, especially the role of subject matter expert. You should never cut costs to have the right people in your team to deliver a sound project. The success story of the project is crafted in the inception stage only. Proper homework at the inception stage of the project can secure the techno-commercial sustainability of the project over its life cycle. As a project manager, you should ensure that you have the right quality of subject matter experts for each of the key areas of your project. Manage rapport and trust with all of them. Provide them full clarity on the specific role and the expected output from them. Keep them motivated to deliver the results. I repeat, project management is not only about the use of software tools, techniques or formula. The success lies on having the right set of people with collective willingness to deliver. If you have all the right experts, but without integrated approach and commitment, it would not work. Similarly, if you have a committed team, but if they lack competence in the subject, this will also not work. Both aspects are equally important and essential for sustainable, reliable and compliant solutions for the project promoter or the investor. This is all about today's topic. Enjoy your day.